This morning, new questions about the timing of those chilling surveillance images of a masked suspect outside Nancy Guthrie's home on the morning she disappeared. Two law enforcement sources familiar with the investigation tell NBC News that this image was actually captured on an earlier date than the other ones, indicating the suspect may have come to Nancy's home prior to the night of her abduction. The surveillance images were first shared 2 weeks ago by FBI Director Kash Patel, who said they were from the morning of Nancy's disappearance on February 1st. But unlike in these images, in the image in question, the suspect does not appear to be wearing a backpack or that unique gun holster, and the background also appears to be darker. A spokesperson for the FBI declined to comment about the timing of the photo, but Pima County Sheriff Chris Nanos did respond, telling NBC News in a phone call overnight that the timeline of the images are still under investigation.
It is all speculative if for someone to suggest that that photo is from a different day. That's all it is speculation. We understand the thinking behind it. But right now, we have no evidence to suggest that that occurred that day or days before.
The sheriff acknowledges that there are differences in how the suspect is dressed in the photos, but says the images uncovered from Nancy's doorbell camera did not provide any dates or timestamps.
We cannot tell you it's a different day. We don't know that. It's still under investigation.
Over the course of the investigation, authorities have asked neighbors for surveillance footage going back all the way to January 1st, a full month before the kidnapping. On Monday, a man with the volunteer relief group, the Cajun Navy, arrived at Nancy's home, offering search resources and a message of support for Savannah and her family.
I'd let them know that, all of America knows what's going on, and we care. We care about the family.
And despite the sheriff saying that the timing of that photo is still under investigation, he did tell us that the reason they have been asking residents for video footage through all of January is because they are looking into this possibility that the suspect may have come to Nancy's home prior to her abduction. He says they just can't say so definitively right now. We did reach out to Google, which owns Nest Camera, for comment on the timing of those images. They have not responded. Hoda.
All right, Liz, thank you so much. And a reminder, the tip line to call if you have any information in this case is 1-800-CALL-FBI. And I feel like there are new details that keep coming out about this case, yes, reminding us to stay focused.
Yes, indeed. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.